Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I got the trap set up out here again because we've got a gray tomcat in the neighborhood that's got a nasty wound on the side of his head. So several of us here are trying to catch him so we can take him and get some medical attention for him. Meanwhile, I got my first possum. She could come right out of there if she wants to. I've got the end of it opened up, but right now she's a little bit leery of coming out. Oh well. Meanwhile, cats have all got their breakfast. There's Snowflake, Pally, and Bullwinkle. And there's Rocky over there. And there's Spooky out there. Oh, be good. Nobody's gonna hurt you. You don't have to be all macho. Oh boy. What to do. Prickly pears are growing like crazy. Pineapples are growing like crazy. Haven't seen anything pop up in the ginger and turmeric tower yet. Oh, and I do still have my elderberry growing. Thought I'd lost it, but it's coming back. It's okay, Spooky. Pineapples. Yep, that one's coming along nicely. The shishito peppers are kind of struggling a little bit. As you can see, they don't get enough sunlight here. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and they're just barely getting some sun. Sweet potato slips are coming along nicely. The air is already heating up. I'm starting to sweat. Cabbage collards. I'm going to have to harvest a couple of these pretty soon. This one here has actually formed a head. That's pretty solid in there. I've never seen a cabbage collard do that, but I've never seen one flower before either, so I guess this is a year for firsts. Comfrey's doing well. Radishes are starting to fall down. Some of those pods are starting to dry out a little bit, so I should be getting some seeds out of them pretty soon. There's some of my kale. And I don't know, but is that a radish? Yeah, I guess it is. Garlic, still doing okay. Have to decide whether I'm going to dig that up before I leave or not. And my cabbage is still doing strong. A little bit of Swiss chard in between them. Lots of seed pods in here. And here's some that are starting to dry a bit. You know, I've been eating my share of them too. In this bed we got the potatoes down at the far end. Then we got the yellow onions. And down at this end I planted a bunch of red onion sets. They're not really popping up yet, but I'm gonna have to get out here and do some watering in a few minutes. Bell peppers are doing nicely. Most of them have got blooms on them. And then down here, I pulled up the Praxis cherry tomatoes. They were just getting to be too much of a mess. They were covered in worms, and I didn't want them spreading to these beefsteaks I got on the other side. Oh, and by the way, I've got a second pineapple growing here. Once again, it's in a container that I can't take with me when I go to Mom's. Out in the far end, a few more pineapples here. None of those are growing fruit yet. Got my fig in there. And the patience garden. Whew. Seems to be growing pretty good. That's something that definitely needs more water. It's been pretty dry around here, but I get some watering done out of the tanks. Not enough to really give them what they need, but we need a good soaking rain. So far that's just not happening, but hurricane season will be coming soon. Maybe then we'll get some rain. Well, I thought about going back to the mini orchard, but Spooky's still being spooky, so I didn't want to chase him off. Let him finish his breakfast. About the only one that doesn't seem to get scared of me anymore is Bullwinkle here. Yep. He's just busy munching down on the cat food. Interesting little zoo we got around here. But I guess that's about it for now. Go see if that possum left yet. Hello, Rocky. Nope. Can't seem to figure out that cage is open. Guess I'm gonna have to dump her out of there. But I'm gonna need both hands for that, so I'll see y'all next time.